All right. Good evening and welcome to Sober TV here on YouTube. Still in a Christmas mood. A Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Must say our support. I'm the whole of this year from January to December. Sober TV. We appreciate the love and support. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Amazing content. Also, if you subscribe to the channel, you get more of these amazing content almost every day. Now, and lot of interesting issues. I have close to 8 different stories. I'm a year. I was Sober TV. Be a passo. Be a demenya abotra chechiremu. Amante asieno. Etimi esi from na akoye. In a Christmas mood, dear. Also, I see what say all the various address. To Shabons and Momo number na da the Christmas you can wakoma ubetimi di odo abodom na de kakra to number na so amaye na se obet TV ya media aye adwuma kakra yi e de amamo so bi akọ break by ejinamu aye adwuma amamo. Now let's move straight to the issues and get you the stories. But before I move on to the issues proper, this particular thing is a national issue. And Raston boy Accra Sports Stadium is from a performing. Now there's this video of one gentleman, a man, a brass show using a motorbike on say I'm a mountain stage, on the field itself, park Nankasaso, and I'm a mountain stage, Now there's a video of a young man in a motorbike. I don't know whether it's drifting or whatever they call it, but bike non so mutimikuta motonum. Na on the term say and you can see that also the term say even on a natural floor you see say assassin and kasano no say a phone call say how winding foot no a boko form, and he was doing this on the pitch. And we are also in December hammer time, and people are access it's a serious issue on the internet. Say look at the kind of damage I hear cause so the grass itself. Now grass nankasano. Now who are they to sing? I remember Ghana, Liberia, which is a match in Accra Sports Stadium. Grass nankasa who are they to sing? Now I mounted these heavy instruments on it. Almost a month has been dedicated to mount these instruments. Now kwabrane so in moto. I would channel on the video no. I'll post it. But you just see what is going on. I want to also show you. Let's see what is going on. Then you ask yourself, say, are we heading towards the right direction as a footballing nation? Anna? Are we heading towards the right direction? There's a pathetic video, and it paints a picture of football here in Ghana, the state of football here in Ghana. But when Rebecca say want to raise revenue for the development of the sports stadium, Professor Peter Chumesi, Yambo Abaso, oh yeah, dear pa, Namenka on a montois sad. It's just sad, but nothing can be done about this situation. So we'll be kind of rough. We move. But if you are watching the video, share video now, say yes. Now, still talking about pitches. Say any social media handle or any blogger or YouTuber a report to say Asante Kotoko, AstroTurf no mobile no. Penifo adwan sesa moving from AstroTurf to a natural grasser. Nipane kanokre. It is true. Yesterday I was there and I have a special video on just the Adakojachi project. But I just want to confirm to everybody who is watching us, every Kotoko fan, say now it is no longer an AstroTurf. Depending for being a natural grass. And then it's no longer an AstroTurf. Depending for being a natural grass. Don't worry, I'll definitely have time, but I'll definitely have time for the Adakojachi project. But after I published the video, I had some calls. to me decide say me ma be say grace period kakra me ma mre kakra has some calls from people that I really respect and people who of us we also work with as sources. If they tell you to hold on to certain things, you have to hold on to it. But really, there's the need for me to confirm this one. Kenya can send the bureau project, but really, let me confirm it. And the only change is the AstroTurf to grass pitch. But I'm confirming it here, say, all other things are not will be maintained from the dressing room to the stands. It will all be maintained. Then yes, almost a son from AstroTurf to a grass pitch in it, Now the account no money. Everything will be maintained. And that is what I'm confirming to you here on Silver TV. There's a reason Tia man that video on the AstroTurf project. There's a reason. I'm holding on to certain things. But many way mount. In cheese, what this will be can no correct and yentro. Stance number dressing room number all other things on and the only changes is from AstroTurf to a green pitch. There's a reason behind it. But like I said, I don't want to go into so much details. Reasons we were chilling on Muja AstroTurf, no, I green pitch, no. According to them, currently as we speak in Ghana football, in clubs, for now, it looks like there's no club or born a ball AstroTurf. There's no club or ball the Premier League game or AstroTurf because it was Wafa and Karela, and now Karela and Muvuko Tamale, so they are not playing on AstroTurf. And Wafa is no longer in the league. It looks like now AstroTurf is not really being accepted by FIFA. It will fade out. So there's a logic behind it. But that's the change back on the Adakwajachi project that I can confirm it to you here on Silver TV. Let's move on to other issues. Mamenfa and some number transfer on and some no. Mamenfa murem. Na before we do that transfer, so what this will be can say George Mfege Kakotko 20-man squad who are no correct. I'm telling you emphatically. The whole of this week in Fege and Timini training, and now I'm catch them say 1 year training. I said it this morning, saying Fege and now 1 year training, Thursday 1 year training. So how come a player almost the entire week 1 year training? Which I said it this morning, I said it yesterday. Now all of a sudden it will be a 20-man squad or the number account. It's not possible. He is not in the team. One bad training in Pokran or Baba arrested. He was not able to even come to the training grounds to even observe what the coach is doing. Now last minute in Pomki, the Naba Beshim. So Infegi is out. If you see any 20-man squad, Nipani Bo Infegi, Dia, Minuya, and Yano Kre. Then the man was Silver TV straight away. No one would echo, and Yano Kre. Yon to answer, me say the Yano Kre no, Obi can. Me catch was what is Obi a can same way no Kre because my history. And at the end, no question, my catch was saying, no cry. Let's continue. And Christmas, yeah, born it tell. Now, moving on to other issues. Maminya Imoro Ibrahim story way because, and of course, Abba so and Imoro Ibrahim, no, I'm not saying. You see, it will be source, but I'm telling you from my source, which is the source of its source. Say Imoro Ibrahim and signing any contract with Asante Kotoko as at a name there numberea me video. He has not signed any contract with Asante Kotoko. Say your channel no be signed it, I don't know. Say Monday no be signed it, I don't know. But what I am telling you is that he has not signed any contract with Asante Kotoko. Now this is it. Imoro Ibrahim, according to my source of a source, will receive over 35 calls and now not paying after storing about things that was signing Kotoko, including former Kotoko players and even current Kotoko players. Friends, yatisa bao near Moakwaba. Current Kotoko players need be friend and former Kotoko player. A friend is a master Matis was signing Kotoko from a share mammy. And Imoro confirmed it to all of them, say on signing. Confirmed to the former players, so me and now for 4-7 months, men signing you. No na share be any harm a and even confirmed to the current players, I mean signing. And the players proceeded, according to my source, to ask him, say, into the ben I'll be signing, and Imoro Ibrahim catch up and said, be out to that of a catch up. So as we are speaking, Imoro is in Tamale. and I no pay ball, Imoro ball, I'm telling you, ball. Or buy an anasa course, na ban the phone or something. He had to call back and tell people, say they beat me signing. There is no doubt about it that Asante Kotoko wants Imoro. And it will become a there is no doubt to say key personalities in Asante Kotoko are reaching out to Imoro and then Akasa. Obi Obeye Kasa Assembly they've reached out to him, but he has not signed. Signing community. Kotoko any brepen. There were even fans of Asante Kotoko. Oh, my friends, I mean, brabe bomayen. Ye, yow, because it was a Kotoko 3 back, no, wing backs, no, qua. Imoro, so don't forget the time we free Kotoko, he had 8 assists. When it comes to chance creation, free kicks, in the case of Kotoko set piece issue, we need him. But on signing, me a bear the pass Imoro be signing. And I'm telling you, you say you no, but Imoro Ibrahim signing, I am one of the people me break his story no. Because of my connections and my sources. Yemfa Imoro diana nto. Me say as the number am no kase on signing. And as I nipa na frefre na chitafo no, any place na friend ontwo montro. Yento ansem no so. He is in Ghana, but he is not in Kumasi. Yento aso. Na Danlad Ibrahim Muiz Poate on says over TV, you protect your credibility pa. Any story I had be any answer. Remember, Ushamiam, Ubabumiana, Intimi, any story, maybe Chauntro. Intina no pam. Mayor 20 months come catch say unconfirmed. There were few people a besheni pandenim open views. Actual ewa the caption say unconfirmed. No. But I want to protect the credibility. Danlad Ibrahim Muiz Poate, asemo. As today, Obeka Fred Kasara ho for China. And asem kitwa. And a panel based on a training, you know, I'll still stick my neck out and say Danlad is leaving. Oh, I said, my catch is Asante Kotoko. Oh, per 20 months squad na nye better because it's all Munko hotel. The first no Munko hotel ne dia. Wait me my reporter na kotena hotel ho no ho. See nyina ni hotel na Kotoko no. Bas ni be si na players ni sisia. And be writing it down. It's all Munko hotel mo da if you ho. Ye mo play bi aduane. Where they have meetings, they have ti na omato ma no na reka kakra. But Mfegi out. Morrison and now Enoch Morrison did not train for Asante Kotoko. Enoch Morrison did not train yesterday for Asante Kotoko. And therefore, it creates the chance for Kalu Atara and Eric Zeze to come in for him to replace Mfegi and Enoch Morrison. Maybe anopan me bobo so ma me bobo so biem. De ohona na me de ema ono. Sana community nti Kalu return no high because they say in Mfegi ni ho ade ebeka bukuala and opon and Kalu are return ya train he was knocking on the door and he would enter together with Eric Zeze Shadrach Ado Bena Somwa womu nyina nka team no Richmond Opoku nka ho Mfegi nka ho yentwa nsem so and apesa me catch them say Samuel Asamoah ho aton and me catch them say Augustine Japan ho aton na fu say ni sa ho aton omu nyina ye train say me catch them me wie yento aso na ma possible line up no and na ni say dipa bibre twen say ma catch them say Morrison is likely not to appear in the 20-man squad and then it means that why Hannah Morrison kwa we nya me so be replace Morrison but send your community ni mama ma come we quick mama picking free has a and I'm in mam. Oh okay and a Ghana Premier League match back also Bekum Chelsea and football draw so Bekum Chelsea now joined with Biana with 27 points Samatex with 23 Nations with 24. Then you get into Atraman with 24, Bechim with 23, Asante Kotoko with 23. Had to focus with 18 points in 16 matches. Oma se 12 goals on Oma concede 12 goals. Anya mwa se no mechita for nani abre omo mpeni for no sonra. Now tena matches ni mediama baby any goal stars. Legon City's Heart of Lions. Samate's Karela. The form of Karela, no, you can confidently say it's a Samate's version. So Samate's with the potential of and you grab match them with 29 points and going back to the top. I won't be surprised or Chinebe we are not Samate's about back to the Premier League top because Ediana Ebo Nsuatremai were away. Nsuatremai on paper will beat Ediana and take their points to 27 joint with Ediana. The China League table me project here. Me who Samate's with 29 points. Ediana with 27. Na me who brekum Chelsea 27 na Nations ni bechem game no. Nations win or draw. E wo bechem. O Kansi Mengo ese opeso wura bechem. E could destabilize bechem. Going for a win or draw for Nations. Team who say Nations ni bechem say in a possible draw. Let me win about 25 a year 24 points. Kotokobo RTU in their last 5 games or maybe 4. RTU in their last 5 games or maybe 4. All things being equal, Kotoko will win from my table as an analyst. It may projected by 26 points at Kotoko. So be a question you may expecting it there. Yes, also Chinano. Kotoko will definitely move from the 7th position. From the 7th position to not less than the 5th position. If my projection is right or China. Kotoko beat me at that 5th position because me say Kotoko at the 26 points, you know. Either some have assigned Nations needs to attract and also have assigned Nations. Nations need be cheap but wow bet to papa so ya Kotoko will beat RTU. No about sound. That is my projection for Ochina match. No. It's the matches now, man. The prediction account. A moment 30, no monitor local prediction. Don't be making. Now, Ochina possible lineup from Kotoko. Frederick Asari will still be the goalkeeper. Makato said Kotoko goalkeeping department and very difficult to predict who will be the goalkeeper. So I'm going for Frederick Asari. Prince Adasani won't remember. Peter Amino Akpa still at the right back position. Now, John Tedeku will start as a left back. They may pick on possible lineup. No. Now, Abrantia friend Justice Blay. Ene Abrantia a friend Henry Ansu and Yusuf Nuruddin. Blay position, you know. Sharif Mohammed Blay a cheap payment, but I still see Blay starting ahead of Sharif Mohammed. Good. Sharif Mohammed midfielder with Yaya and Lamte. Blasters material Richmond Lamte. Obejina Hobby. Now a front two of Mukwala and Isaac Opon. So possible changes. Morrison out for John Tedeku. Say Obebo left back position. Where possible, unconfirmed so. It would be actually be me catch say possible. Nti so to me be with me agimedi say me possible na line up but if you be duru na asesa on hadie. And to the China and the Chia. Me a bobo confirmed na and abom so with me a Jobedi and as I want to mean Jobed India. So what I see. And at 20, no, me catch us a bench, you know. Dan Lad, I'm going for Dan Lad. From what I have said, technical goalkeeping department, we are going to be brewer, so I'm still going for Dan Lad. Na mama, Prince Adasan, Sharif Mohammed, Rocky Jamana, Michael Che Jamana, Andrew Sintimen, Kalu Atara, Eric Zeze. This is the bench. Me de air mount. Ewo Silver TV. The me de maso to form no. The me hu ye. Me de mount. Ewo Silver TV. And me de ama. And nana benyini amwa. So mambo nana benyini and nana benyini amwa. Ti Dan Lad, Adasan, Sharif Mohammed, nana benyini amwa. na wanya Michael Che Jamna Rocky Jamna Andrew Sintimenu Kalu Atara Eric Zeze 9 Eric Oka 11 no ho na 20 de me hu no ena mede ama ono enti mama Imoro de no se on signing mama on fage de no se won katim no ho tu hu a ya na de ato en mama wa dakwaja achi project they say yen Kotoko nya AstroTurf ni bi o green pitch ma confirm ama and a crash sports stadium on sensem na mede ama o media maso abo ewura fata wo de no mu fata Sulemana de no media mafo so abo ewura o ma abo ewura no so ya asem ko da ho den a mede ma wane no enti ye makasa ne nye bebre o ha ase ho a na opesa wo yes o be TV adoya na de afem ama ye mumu shiba ebehu ti etenase ame boafo ye na ti metenase a sakura na mekoso no ibodi say dase momprene for now the momprene ne mba ti ekikabum momprene ni nyina ba ebeye no wa hard yama but I still feel sad watching that Accra Sports Stadium video. I still feel sad. But what can we do? Yentimi nya won hwe. Eno ye di feel ba me ma. Nya men kan wo chena Baba Sports Television na ye de commentary another event e di aba besom. Bye bye.